woke up and the Rivian is still here, so that's good. It wasn't a dream. For the utility panel, I think Gen 1 was less or had more of an issue. This one, it's a little bit more firm, like it has a plastic lock, I guess. Kind of open it up and it does stay. But I could see where this kind of maybe potentially vibrates. So I bought this. Now I'll leave a link, but there's also a yellow one. I kind of wish I did that one, but this one supposedly goes in here. That is so cool. And then, yeah, look at that. I don't want to pull too hard, but yeah, it's pretty locked in right there. 3D printed, you could probably make your own, but I mean, this was not that expensive, so, and you could have different colors. Black kind of makes it blend in, so it's less obvious. I'll say that. So if you did have the truck bed open, if it were yellow or another color, I could see where somebody's like, huh, what does that do? But there you go. So that's neat. Let's get into the next one. All right, next one, if you have wood or anything that's long past the tailgate, you want this, and this is a reflective canvasy feel to it, and it has a loop through here. So if you have straps ratcheted in, this would kind of go there. Well, maybe wrap around like that, and that would be kind of mercy flag. I'll leave a link for that. And speaking of straps, you have Rhino USA. It's an American company, and they have these really nice ratchets. So let me demonstrate for you. All right, here goes. So we have a strap. So two sides, they both have these like locking mechanisms. Well, not locking, but it's got a thing to make sure someone put one in here. Okay, that's in. Then I'm going to release this. You just have to click it once and it releases. And I'm gonna lock it in over to the other side. Over there, like that. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna ratchet it up. There you go. So I've got two of them, one on one side, one on this side. The only thing I see as a potential issue is it's got to be at least a certain length, or I would have to loosen that up and wrap it around, maybe to wrap it around the wood or whatever it is and go to that side. That probably would work as well. I just haven't gotten around to it yet, but we'll figure it out. Anyway, these nice straps. That's it. I'll leave a link for that as well. Lastly, if you push this button here, see it real easy to kind of deploy and put away. And it comes in a nice handy bag. There we go, good to go. Goes in that bag. You get two of them, and this is probably that other strap you use. In addition to that, I'm now officially part of the recovery team. How do you like them apples? And there's some other stickers in there too. So cool, I love it. You may be thinking, where am I gonna keep this thing? I don't know. Most trucks don't have so many places to hide stuff. Well, hide or keep them. But check this out. Got this one opens up into the gear tunnel, and now am I gonna keep it in there? No, I'm actually gonna fit it right in here. I'm gonna keep it right in here. Don't fight. It's hard to film with one hand, but check this out. It fits perfectly. Piece of cake, look. That is one thing that maybe we're a little better in the design, but yeah, it fits easy. Now we're gonna go up. Now I don't know if that's gonna make a, there we go. Yeah, that works. Good to go, so that's it. One last thing I'll leave you with. I got my charger. This is the charger. I'm not gonna show my address, but it's a tiny little box, not very big. So this is the Tesla charging converter that you'll need. NACS, North America charging standard. So I'm excited to open that little box up and I'll show you what I got. But I got mine I picked up the car last Tuesday, and I got it today. So that is 8 days. So again, let's give Rivian a break. You know, logistics, it takes time. Here's what's in the little box. Okay, so that's the Tesla plug. Then I have the truck bed liner to protect it as well. And they actually say for the first 2 days not to put it in direct sunlight for 2 days, and just heavy weights or hot water. So one with the weights for now. Got that going. What's the other item I wanted to give an update on? Oh yeah, this is the part that protects the tailgate. And I'll put a link for both. Hello, gotta wake it up. This is the part that's like kind of interesting and aggressive. So it kind of flashed. Just that, it's like, so this goes underneath the liner, and then you just kind of slide it out like that, and then it protects this portion. Again, I mean, you know, maybe it's a bit overdone, but I kind of agree. I'd like it to not be all scratched up. And I do plan on doing, like, building a fence portion over there, a lot of woodwork. So I'm planning on putting some wood beams and stuff in there, and then not finished, it's still work in progress. That's where all the storage bins are located. I'm gonna put on a tempered glass screen protector. So I'm gonna film vertically here for a second, because this is a hard case, just so you know. And that is a tempered glass piece here. So there are 3 screens. And yeah, oh, interestingly, this thing timed out. So that's kind of fascinating. So I'm gonna have to kick it in again, which means I'm gonna touch the screen and clean it again. I guess you're a certain time here. Okay, so the directions, like with cell phones, right? Same thing. There's a back tab here, which says back, and this is the top part. So I have to peel this white piece off. There we go. Now, what they want you to do is align it. Lift it up. Now, here's the install kit. There are 3. It comes with 3 because there are 3 screens. And what they say is once you lock it in there, a wipe, another towel, and dust removal stickers. Nothing else underneath. Peel this off now, the back. Okay. And hopefully, cameras or sensors right there on each. So probably detecting that you're staying awake if you're doing the self-driving, or not self-driving, but the automated driving. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of a bubble situation. Let's get that out. So let's kind of work this out. Sorry, there, you can see it there better, but focus. There's a couple bubbles we're gonna work. For the last one, which was interesting, I had to lower the steering wheel because this tab, I couldn't flip it up. So just so you know, but it's doable. So now that I have that, I can connect the rest. By the way, a quick just update. I did charge a couple days ago, and we're still at 100%. Even though I've kind of backed it in and out of the garage while I work on my project, but there's definitely no phantom drain. They fixed that in Gen 2. So very nice. Last screen protector, and then we are done. That is a nice system because it does allow you to kind of align it all. Then you lift it up and you do one more cleaning to really get it nice and clean. And then you can peel the back, apply it, and remove this. You get the steps, but it's actually well thought out, well done. If you're wondering, yes, it has all the cutouts too for the screen. Same process. The back screen's a touch screen, so you also have to lock it up there, which locks this. So I clean the screen, and there's the final result. Everything's in place, fits perfectly. There will be a little bit of air bubbles. You kind of have to just work them in. Don't push too hard, just kind of work them down. And it took about 5 minutes, and it looks really good now. So there you go. That is a thumbs up right there. I'll put a link obviously on Amazon, and then this is the microfiber. It came with a couple of them. Claws. Oh, that's going to be a fun sound. But nothing is made for one hand. All good. Everybody enjoy. Look at that beautiful sunset going on with Joshua trees in Apple Valley. Gorgeous. Y'all take care. See you. Bye-bye.